What's going on, everybody? It's Crypto Vision here, back again with another crypto market update. Today's video we're going to be going over CHAINLINK. I'm going to be just touching up on CRO, and I'm going to be touching up on CRV, and what was the last one? Pudgy Penguins. So I'm going to be going over four. Primarily we're going to be going over CHAINLINK, because that's what I hold. The other ones I'm just going to be giving you guys an update if you're interested. So if you like today's video, hit that like button, smash that sub button, and leave a comment where you're tuning in from. I appreciate it, and it helps out the channel. So CHAINLINK, we're right here actually sitting beautifully. If you just watched that XLM video, man, XLM has been annihilated, right? I posted, hey, it's showing weakness, and it showed weakness today. CHAINLINK's a different story though. CHAINLINK, we're sitting right on the 20-day EMA. It's at 2357. We're at 2360. Again, these lines, these lines of interest, we cannot get above this and hold above it, right? We got up, closed down below it, got up, closed down below it, got up, tried to hold above it, tried to bounce right here. This was it right here, right? We tried to bounce right there. Next day, slam down, kind of worked our way up, boom, slam back down. So that's a key area, okay? That 2516 area is just, it's really holding CHAINLINK down. From an overall high to low on this wave, where are we? Sorry, low to high on this wave. Do I have this over here by any chance? I do. I do. And we are sitting, okay, I don't know why it's way over there. Get over here. Oh, Scorpion, get over here. Hey, drop a comment if you played Mortal Kombat growing up. If you guys had tournaments growing up. I grew up playing that kind of stuff, so it was great. Mortal Kombat, that was my dude. It was Scorpion, or I liked what was his name? Sub-Zero? Yeah, Sub-Zero was dope. So overall, right, we bounced right off this 382. Kind of said, you know, if we do find some resistance, right, or some support, we're gonna bounce right off this 382, just because this move was so strong. Right, so we're looking, we bounced off this 382. The thing is, right, so we can put a mark right here just to show that where we are, because I'm going to go into the 4 hour. I'm going to take this out. I'm actually not going to go, we don't need this actually. I'm not going to go into the 4 hour. So we did bounce off the 382, which is strong, which shows some strong buying pressure. But this A wave to B wave, let's see where we hit. Probably that looks like we wicked up past the 618. Yeah, just wicked up just at the 618. I thought we were gonna wick up just past the 618. Okay, that's a valid B wave. I think we're going lower for CHAINLINK. I think we're going lower for CHAINLINK just because of the fact that unless this buying pressure is so strong, right, so strong that we just go to the 1, right? We just go, you can. It's from typically the 1 to the 1618, deep retracements go to the 2272. It would take us all the way down past the 200 EMA. I don't see that with CHAINLINK. Right, we have this trend line right here, just because this line of interest, just because typically you'll wick down just below the 1618. So that 1986, that $20 range, you know, is possible. I'll throw one on here too. This $21 area is possible, just for the overall correction, just to be completed. We're sitting on that 886. We're down below the 786. Typically, you close below the 786, you're gonna target this 1272, 1618. So, but CHAINLINK's holding up strong though. Overall, it's still holding up strong. If we do invert this, or if we invert this and we just do a nice little extension, let's just do an extension right here, right there. What levels are we at? Look at that 886, right? If we close above this 786, typically when you close above the 786, you're just gonna blast through the 886. That'll be the area to determine where we're going. Blast through this 886, we're going down to this 1272 at least. You know, can find some resistance right up here at this 1. So worst case scenario, right, I think we're coming down to this $19 range. I mean, actually, worst case scenario, if I'm being real, worst case scenario is this line right here. So that's worst case scenario. We'll drop this in purple like we did with XLM. So we lose this $21 range. We're going to probably hit these lower ranges. So we'll do that. If you guys don't like purple, leave a comment. Don't matter to me what the color is, but that's just kind of what it looks like for Chainlink. We have the areas of interest for if we hold above, we're bullish, right? If we're below, we're bearish. And then if we're above this 26.53, if we can close above it, right? If we close above it, then we're targeting all-time highs. I mean, we're not even going to stop at all-time highs. We're not even going to stop there. That's over and done with. That we've already come up to this level. Yeah, we're not stopping. We're not stopping at nah. We're not stopping, right? So yeah, we're gonna come up. I mean, we're just gonna blast through, hit this 1618 and then the 2618. I mean, so we have higher targets to go, right? This 30s, once we get above here, we'll talk about getting above this $32 range. $31 isn't going to be, there's not going to be any resistance. I mean, there might be a little bit, but for the most part, if you get above this, especially this trend line on the daily, right, this closing trend line, right, just close above this trend line. I could even, or is this from, oh gosh, put that back, boy. Okay, that's from down over there. Oh, what is this? Give me rid of that. Sorry, I've partial ADHD. Man, this RSI looks good though. I mean, if you just go, I mean, you don't have to watch the XLM video, right? I'm not begging you to watch the XLM video, but just go look at the difference, especially if you're a Chainlink investor. I mean, the RSI levels, we're still above this green area that we know to be true to be bullish above, right? You're above, you're bullish, you're below, yeah, kind of bearish, you're going sideways. We're bouncing right off of that. Where are we actually? We're at the 52.17. So we could go a little bit lower, touch that, and then come back up. That looks good. The Fu Manchu looks good. I mean, we are, hey, ladies and gentlemen, we've cooled off a ton, and we still have momentum. And we have cooled off. We've come down a whopping 16%, and we're still above. That's good. All right, that is good. What was the last time how much did we drop? We dropped 24% last time, so additional 8%. And where are we right now? We're about like right there. Let's be conservative. We're at that 11 mark. We dropped 8% more last time. We were at negative 37, ladies and gentlemen, for Chainlink. Chainlink is strong right now. Chainlink is strong. I like it. I like it a lot. We'll just get in real quick to this. We fell below this horizontal, or this little channel that we had drawn. It was just, I just wanted to kind of see if we could hold up on this channel. We obviously couldn't. So yeah, so I'll just get rid of this. I'll hold it. I'll see how it interacts, right? I'll see how it interacts. I'll see if we come up and reject it again. We kind of like tried to come up and reject it, but I'll leave it there. It's not very significant. I just kind of wanted to see what we were gonna do. So when was this? I mean, this was last night. Once we lost it, we kind of just started falling, going sideways. So I guess that's some line of significance. Overall, oh, this looks pretty good, right? We're kind of rounding up. Our stochastic has cooled off all the way on the Fu Manchu. We're rounding up. We can't even get down through here. So we'll see. We have broken down below this trend line. So now we kind of are. Let me see this real quick. Let me just look at this real quick. Yeah. Boom. Right, we've broken this upward trend. I'm going to see if we use it as resistance now. So I'm just going to leave these areas up. So Chainlink looks good. We have those levels. We have levels to watch for. So again, not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice, but these levels are going to be key just to watch, just to keep and hold. And so, yeah, so we know the levels now. So if we're going over to, let's go over to CRO. I mean, just red everywhere. CRO, just real quick. I mean, this is looking. I mean, I don't hold any CRO. I have no skin in the game, but yeah, we're just aiming towards this 27, what I marked, 26 cent mark, this 26 to 23 cent mark. We're still way above the 20. All right, you're still looking good, but I mean, yeah, this. Remember, I was telling you, hey, we had bearish divergence, and now we're just getting oversold. Right, we're just not getting oversold, but we're just massive profit takings. Let's see if we bounce right here. If you guys bounce right here, if CRO bounces right there, then good riddance. This thing's going to the moon, right? This thing's going to the moon. Yeah, we had bearish divergence, but this canceled out your bearish divergence. So I was like, okay, maybe it's not going to be as bad of a drop, but let's see where we're going to go from here. Right, so we have A, B, C, looks like. Or this could even be just your first initial A wave, right? Because you got 1, 2, 3 waves down. But we'll take this. We'll take this. So overall, let's see. Where do we come down to? Right above that 382. That's a strong move. That shows strong momentum from this low to this high. Where did we go? Up to that 618. Just, yep. That looks like a sufficient B wave. And then overall, low to high, right at that 113. I mean, yeah, you can come down to this 25 cent mark. Why did I have the 23 cent mark up? Whatever. I'll just leave that up there. 23 cent mark. This I don't think we go below the 1618. This is such a strong move. I don't think we go below 21 cents. Nah. Just because the retracement levels so far, I mean, this does look like an ABC 3-wave move down. The thing is, do we get 3 waves up? Right? Do we get 3 waves up? That would be not ideal. So for us to not, right, for us to say this is the low, you need to get above this. I'll mark these red for you. Need to get above that. Sorry. I'll mark that yellow for you. So you need to get above that. And then, alright, and then you need to close. I'll just leave that right there for you guys. So get above 36 cents. Then you target higher prices. What are higher prices? If you weren't here yesterday, or actually I don't even remember when I made the video. If this is the low, it's kind of hard to tell. Right? It's kind of hard to tell if this is the low, right? That's right at that 382. That's why you're trying to get above that 382. You know, you're targeting this 1618, and you're targeting this 2618. Right. So those are kind of the areas where you can target. Man, that is a crazy price though. 68 cents to 93 cents. So yeah, CRO, you know, you're just correcting CRV. All right, where are we on the daily? Oh, look at that, right? Hey, sub to the channel if you ain't subbed, right? Hey, we're getting close on these, right? So we're getting close. This is looking, all right, overall, it's looking, yeah, it's looking corrective in nature. It's looking corrective in nature. Where are we in terms of this overall correction? Overall correction. We're sitting at right. That's where that 618 is. That's why I have that marked. We're pretty close to finding a. I think we're pretty close to finding a bottom with a lot of these cryptos. I think we're getting close. If we think this is a 1, 2, 3 down, 1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2, 3 down. I mean, we could have 5 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. That's kind of just a steep. Yeah, I'm gonna mark these red. I have them red and everything else. This 1618. I don't think we go down this low. There we go, something like that. Okay. Just based off this movement so far. There we go. 2 levels in order for us. or not us. I don't actually own any CRV. This is just for someone asked for it. So yeah, so if you have some crypto you want me to look over, just let me know. I'll look over it for you. Give you some levels. Where are you? Alright, we get above this. We're bullish. We get above this. Why was CRO is just so bullish? CRO is just like barely have to get above anything. Alright, that's gonna be your area of resistance. Okay, so get above this, you target green, get above green. Oh shoot, I'm sorry. I need to give you guys some deeper targets. Something like that. Alright. Change it green. Change it green. Okay. There you go. There you go for CRO. Or sorry, CRV. Sorry about that. 250, right? 250 is on the table. Where is that? Right above the 886, 1886, sorry. And this 183 is right above this larger 1272. So yeah, so you can come up here, consolidate a little bit, slam up, you know, get some good price action on it. What are we at? 76 cents. That's solid. Last one, Pudgy Penguin. Let me see. Actually, did I even look at the RSI for you guys? I didn't. I'm sorry. Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, this is just like a little falling wedge. This looks actually really nice. This looks nice for an RSI because it's clear and concise, right? We know what you're doing, right? You're just kind of falling down. Your RSI is mimicking your price. Do we have bullish divergence? 7825, 76, 7648. No, but you're getting lower lows in the price, lower lows in RSI, so that's good. It's not good, but I mean, they're mirroring one another, which is good. So, Pudgy Penguin Crew. Let me see this. Okay, so we've broken down below. I'll change this up. I'll redo everything for you guys. So we have these two price targets down below. It looks like we're still correcting, right? This doesn't look complete yet, so expect some lower prices for sure. This 0.5, where have we gone? Let's see this first. I don't know why I just did that. I brain farted so hard. Wick down, we stayed above the 382, so that's a nice sign, right? You have the little A, B, C. Man, your C wave, I mean, didn't get anywhere. All right, where did your C wave go? To the 113. I mean, that's not that deep, right? So you do have a, you know, A, B, C. Now we have a what? Another B wave. We have another 3-wave move. So you have your A, alright, little A, and then you have a B. Alright, so you have a 3-wave up, and then you got your, that looks like 5 down actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 down. Now you got 3 up. You got 3. You got 2. You got 1, 2. So you need another wave down. So yeah, you're gonna go down. If you're looking, I mean, not a financial advice or not financial advice, but right, you just broke this trend line. They're not, I mean, horizontal or sorry, diagonal trend lines aren't the strongest, but it's an indication of where price action is going. Right, this 1272. I was saying, hey, you can front run this 1272, or you can hit this 1618. Right, hit this 1618. So this 2.6 cents to 2.1 cents, right? That's kind of where I'm thinking you're gonna go for Pudgy Penguins. If you're looking to add, let me draw this on here for you guys. Hey, let me know too in the comments if you want more Pudgy, if you want more Pudgy. Just let me know. Keep me updated. So we're gonna do something like this. All right, let's do something like this. Boom, something like that. Okay, so you're just kind of it's a nice little falling wedge. Fu Manchu, you have bearish momentum. And so, yeah, you're just looking to break out price targets. Did I already do that? What, 9 cents to 13 cents? So let me give you the area you need to close above. Area you need to close above just to get out of this zone. I don't think this is the low. That's the thing. So this is going to change. I just don't think this is the low. But I'll throw it on here. I'll update you guys. Wait, what am I doing? Yeah, right here. Okay. 786. Right, because you just don't want to come up to the 786 and reject. Okay. Did I do that for CRO? CRO was that 786 was the 36. Okay. Yeah, CRO just looks really strong. So CRO looks really strong. So okay. Well, yeah, so that's all the cryptos for today for this video. If you like today's video, hit that like button. Drop a comment where you're tuning in from. I just want to know. I like to know where people are watching from, and hit that sub button. Right? Let's just help me out. It helps out a lot. You know, it's free to you. It's quick. It's easy. So thank you for stopping by. I appreciate your time. I appreciate you just tuning in and hanging in there. So if you like today's video, come back again. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.